You can never do anything without hard work. You can have the talent. A talent is just a natural gift given by God. It's raw. You didn't ask for it. You didn't even know anything about it. It was not like when you were born. Before you were born, God came to ask you, let's negotiate. What do you want to be? No. You were born with it. You had nothing to do with it. And that's a talent. It's something that you can do exceedingly well without much effort. It's a talent. But a talent is like planting a seed. You have to nurture it. When you nurture it, it blossoms. When you don't, it withers away. So the talent is great because it's for you. You didn't ask about it. But the hard work is the nurturing part. So hard work, there's no substitute for hard work. You have to work hard and nurture that talent for it to blossom.